Hey Dana, Brian McRae here. Sorry for the delay in getting you this video, but here is a walkthrough of the concepts for membership as well as the technology walkthrough. I do want to cover, I think, the two most important things that we're doing here. Number one, we're creating membership. So it's an invitation beyond a fee-for-service relationship. And the membership is an emotional and mental commitment from a client to commit to a particular business. It works with any kind of industry, but they're more committed once they decide to be members. The other big concept in what I'm going to show you is the payment plan version of this allows people to budget their care easily, which pet owners have said they wanted across the industry. Budget their care easily and build their balances. So if you had a membership on the $50 a month example, which I'm going to walk you through in a minute, you got to remember clients are building those balances. So after 3-4 months, they're going to have $200, $300, $400. Every study there is in the loyalty industry is people spend money 140% faster once it's already spent. So if you give somebody a gift card, they're going to spend that money a lot faster than they would, just paying fee for service each time they go in. What's also proven by us in the veterinary industry in the last 10 years is that compliance goes way up. People build balances, they say yes more often, and they say yes faster. So they just tend to not procrastinate and get in easier, and to any, if they need to take them in for a sick visit, but also it disempowers competitive marketing. So because they have those balances of $200, $300, $400, whatever it is they're building in their account, any other business can market to them till all day long, and it's not going to really affect them. They've already made that emotional commitment. They already have financial value at a particular practice with balances. Those are the two most important factors why having a loyalty program can really impact your practice. So hope that helps. Let's get into the technology and the membership breakdown. So this is a walkthrough of the client experience and the technology, as well as a breakdown of some different membership offerings that we can, that I can go over with you. You can see the flexibility in the technology as well, so we can change it to your liking, but I'm going to kind of give my thinking and the purpose of each one that we have set up here. So here we go. Client will get this link. This link is findable by a QR code. Anybody that comes into your practice, all they need to do is scan their phone over the QR code. It takes you immediately to the landing page. Same as a lot of restaurants are doing now for their menus. So the first one, the VIP offer, the VIP payment plan. This concept was developed. I developed this basically, and by the way, we can cut out make the backgrounds all black if you don't like the way that looks. I mean, all white, solid white, but that's all customizable. But this concept is basically a blend of typical wellness plans, which the shortcoming on wellness plans has been they're complicated, they're all different. You need different ones for different pets, and excludes this, excludes that. It's just complicated overall and a low conversion. And then we have our membership model that we've done over the last 8 or 9 years, which has been a really simple membership. However, it wasn't fully automated before, and we need fully automated solutions for today's veterinary environment because practices are just too busy to really do anything on the administration side. So this is the care plan in a nutshell. It'll just break it down. You can kind of pause the video and see what starts here. But essentially, you can set up a plan. You can do a $50 a month one. That's what I did in this example. A practice might want to offer a $50, a $100, and maybe a $150 for multiple pet owners or senior dog owners or senior pet owners or things like that. But it just breaks it down. Really, really simple. I'm just giving some example benefits, but a couple benefits could be vaccinations. Can be included for up to one pet that are included with a membership. You could not do vaccinations at all. That's an option. Receive a bonus reward of 10% for being enrolled in automatic payment plan. So the whole point to using the technology and getting set up on automatic payments every single month is so that they can earn a reward. And the rewards are usable towards services only at your particular practice. So they're building a balance to hook them and keep them at the practice, usable towards services only. So 10%, you can also change that to 5%. I have practices that have been doing 10% or 5% cashback rewards for the last 8 years and hit record numbers every single year. So that will be automatically taken out every single month, and they get their bonus. So they'll charge your card $50. That'll go into your practice bank account. They'll also get a $5 bonus that will show up in their reward account. I'll show you what that looks like. So it's pay as you go, stop whenever you want, no long-term commitments, no crazy, fine print. Really easy for a client to understand. If they want to sign up, they just hit sign me up and go from there. Let's go to plan number 2. This is the one that you told me was already being used by practices successfully. Just wanted to show you what this would look like. This is basically, what you told me. So I think you said it was $50 a month, and it gives them unlimited exams. So members just pay $50 a month, they get unlimited exams, and they receive a 5% discount. I believe you told me they get on all services at Care Pet Animal Hospital. So really simple. They just sign up for that. Problem is that's only covers exams. I think it pigeons it in a little bit, but if it sells and it works with the numbers, then that is a viable membership consideration for you guys. Next, we're going to talk about the pet care, employee membership, which we can hide from the public. So we can actually create this membership, but then it would only be accessible through the back end where you can sign up your employees. But just for demo purposes, I put this in here, but you can actually, create it to where it just sets up, and, employees get a $40 reward credit every single month that they've been employed there. And that goes into their reward balance. They can use it towards services only at the practice, and only, of course, while they're employed at the practice. And so it's nice. They can see their balances growing. While they're there, it's just another hook. It's another balance. It's another benefit that another practice isn't offering they can use towards care for their personal pets. Just an example, but we can set up any type of employee membership as well through the software platform. So let's go through this. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the first one and pretend I'm doing a sign up as a client. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm logged in. I'm now a member. Now I'm going to go into my account details so I can show you how this works. Client just can go into my account, scroll down. You can see that the $50 membership that I signed up for is showing up in my cash balance. I also got my reward balance of $5 based on that 10% that I set up for the demo ratio. So it's really easy. $50 is loaded on here. If I want to come in and spend this in the practice, all you have to do is create a couple redeem codes in your practice software. If I want to come in today and my bill was $150, you would ask me, do you want to redeem any cash balance or rewards? Most of the time at that point, I could redeem my reward, say yes, $5. If I want to pay for the bill or I want to redeem some of this cash balance, I can redeem that as well. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and redeem $50, and I'm going to redeem my $5 in rewards altogether, so $55 total. Hit redeem, and that's it. I'm done. I just executed this on the mobile device. You guys can verify this on the desktop version right in front of you, but the employee doesn't really need to do anything but see this screen. It's time stamped, it's date stamped, and this is the proof that this was executed and the balance was removed. So I'm done. I can hit OK. And as you can see, my balances are now wiped out. And you have all these confirmations on your administrative side on the back end as well. So that's as easy as signing up for the membership, getting the monthly pulled out of your account automatically, setting up my credit card, stores it in a vault for recurring purchases, and also that's how the redemptions work. Now let's look at offers. You guys are going to have offers in here that I can redeem. In this case, this is just something I attached to membership in the demo. So if I want to redeem an offer, it's easy. Just go in there, hit redeem. Are you sure you want to redeem it? Yes. Show the employee time and date stamped as well. So you can't do screenshots. You can't cheat the system. It's all in there. Now let's go back into the portal. I'll show you the couple other things in the navigation for clients. So announcements, anything you guys want to announce is in here. And you can also set up links. So if I wanted to it'll hyperlink to your website. Very easy. Take me right to your pages or any type of custom graphics that you wanted to set up. So you can do unlimited announcements. I can also look at offers, anything you guys want to sell. I did some examples of limited holiday boarding special. Somebody can buy 10 boarding sessions at a time. You know, they can be sitting at home and you guys are selling products if you wanted to. You don't have to offer things on the app, but it's very, very easy. If I want to purchase it, I just hit purchase, hit buy, and it's done. Thank you for your purchase. That money has been added now to your balances. I hit OK, and immediately you're going to see that this offer was available now and showing up and for redemption. And it's good for the next year. So this is a real simple portal, real simple interface. And you can also have other memberships so people can upgrade if you want to upgrade clients in there. But that's it. Your account, your cash balance, your reward balance, any announcements, offers. And if you wanted to enable this feature where people can pay for, you know, their benefits, you know, pay for their bills right on their phone, you can always do that as well. So people can load money on here and get that multiplier. But that's another topic we can talk about. But those are the core features of the app. That's the walkthrough of the interface with the client. It doesn't matter if they save the app on their phone or anything. It's really easy. The QR code's always going to be in practice. So all they have to do is scan it, takes them right to their page, and if they save any passwords or anything in their phone, boom, they're going to go right in. So it's really easy. I hope this is a great demo for you of the technology potential, as well as some basic membership layout options. So let me know. I look forward to your review, and we can set up a time to go through questions and start to really dial in a membership that you guys might want to launch there. Thanks for taking the time. Talk to you soon.